Morning guys, it will be my first time changing oil for my BMW 118i F20. Just finished change filters. That's the filter right there, and just undo the cap. And at the moment I'm just draining the oil. There you go. It's a bit dark there because I don't have any light, but look like the this oil. Is the bolts that's to drain the oil, and this is the filters. Look at this, it's so dirty. That way we have to change the oil. And if you guys have the same car like mine, it's the model 118i F20. Just it's a simple car check. One is just set right there, just in case some fall down. But this is another one. Just so I've got two, so it's very secure. You don't want to crash your head under the car. It'll be like this is the oil. It's so black. It's very black, so you need to change it. Another thing is this is I don't know, it's all different. This is the socket that I just used. It's very simple, just one, and it's a bit mess, but anyway, my first time go, so have a try. Now it's done. It's everything on the place. Start the engine. Sound alright. The vehicle information, and then vehicle status, and then you can find this symbol here, check control. No fault. That's okay. So everything fine. Just check another day if there's a leaking. So bye guys.